Welcome to this video demonstration on the InterAcct periodic invoice system. Under the job costing module in InterAcct, there is an option to be able to create periodic invoices. You can use these invoices to bill things like membership fees, rent or service agreements where they're going to be coming up regularly over a period of time. If we go into the jobs menu, one of the options that we've got is to come under job invoicing, and from here under periodic invoicing. It asks us when the first date that we're going to invoice out some services, when do we expect the first payment, and when is it going to run until. We can either do a line by line or a summarized version of the invoice. Under the summarized version, it just asks us how much we're wanting to bill, what cost we're wanting to associate with that, what note we want on there, and then how regularly we want to have that invoice created. So I'm just going to select monthly from here. We can put in details of notes. We then have the option to come into the invoicing menu, and we can choose until what date we're wanting to run the invoice for. So I'm just going to put in here the 15th of the 2nd, and then I'm going to run the pre-listing report. So it comes up with this pre-listing. We can see the different job numbers that it's going to be affecting, the invoice numbers that it will create, the date from until, amounts, invoice amounts, and the name of the company that's going to receive the invoice. If we're happy with that pre-listing, all we need to do is come into here and it pulls up a list of those invoices that it's created, and then we can just hit this send button and that will email them out to all the different people. There's no limit to the number of invoices that can be in a run. You can filter it to run it only for certain clients if you're wanting to just run all the jobs for a particular client that need to be run in this way. This is an example of one of those invoices here that you can see on the screen. If you've got any questions, please contact sales@interacct.com.au. Thank you.